Hi there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. We're actually at STO N SHO today. We had a customer come by. They have a 2022 Audi Q7, and we're actually kind of anxious to do this type of fitment because we actually will, instead of simulating like we normally do at the dealerships, we're going to actually show you the process of how to line it up and then to drill the holes and to actually put the fasteners in. So there's the front of it. It's going to go in the lower center there. Unfortunately, this one has no fasteners underneath, so it is a drill, but it'll be up underneath the vehicle there. So
no extra projectile.
All right. So you're ready for me, huh?
yeah.
All right. So I'm sure you told them right. There's no factory screws underneath here, so we're going to be mounting it right here using two 6.3 by 20s. You use the foam tape to help line it up so that we get it right where we want it before we put any holes in anything. So, all right. Go to the center of the car.
Yep. So now we got to
All right, yeah.
center it here. You could go in a little bit, about right there. It's actually pretty darn close here. Here, actually.
Then left and right.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, it would be not much to your right. Just, a little bit. Otherwise, I think we're pretty good right there. Yeah, too far. Yeah, that's the problem. Just go back a little bit more to your left. A little bit more. That's probably good right there.
Yeah, square me up.
Yeah, I'll make sure that's the... And I would just come out just about 1/8 of an inch or so. About right there. I think we're good.
Well, I got a chance to get out of the way then.
Alright.
Alright. Are we good to go?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, so now we got it lined up good, which as you can see, you're gonna take and drill an 1/8 inch pilot hole. And again, it's important you go just through the plastic. And like I made this so that it keeps me from going too far, but you don't want to like drill and then use a 2-inch drill bit and go through there. So once those are in, take your 6.3 by 20s, start them in the hole. Make sure the ratchet's going the right way. There you go. I'm going to start them both just to keep this one moving when I start it. Okay, this is really important. In this, you're going to run these down until they're flush, and then you're going to go a quarter to probably 3/4 turn and stop. Because this is not going into like a metal J-clip. This is just going into this 1/8 inch plastic, which will hold more than enough. But it's important to just run it down until it's flush. Okay, there you go. That's flush. And then you just go a quarter to a 1/2 turn and stop. Same thing here, flush, quarter to a 1/2 turn, and stop. And there's no way that's coming off. There you go.
Yep, make sure to periodically lubricate the pull pin from time to time. And if you go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove the front plate with your license plate because it will damage it. So that's very important. And then we'll get a straight on view here, and that's what it's going to look like. Your license plate will go right there on the front plate, and you are done.
Okay, so now we're going to install the license plate onto the front plate using the acorns that were provided. Now when using the acorn nuts, you want to make sure that the screw goes through the base, through the front plate, and then on the license plate. Is because on these are applications where your bumper is like right here, so you want the screw facing toward the front. So you just do that with each one. And again, making sure the screw goes through the back, into the front, and then the acorn nut on the outside. And you do that to all four. Sorry. Okay, then take your Phillips screwdriver, and your ratchet, make sure it's on tighten, snug them up. And there you go. Now if this is one where if you have the acorn nuts, again, the screws are going to go in through the back and the acorn nuts will be on the outside, and it should look like this when you're done.